Much like the monthly log and the daily log, the weekly log serves to help us take time to check in with ourselves and set our priorities, in this case, for the week ahead. Now, you may be wondering why the weekly log isn't set up right after the monthly log. That's because I'm presenting these core collections in order of appearance in our notebook. I found it much more effective to have a week's worth of daily logs before I set up my first weekly log. Let me show you why. The weekly log consists of a written reflection and a weekly task list. The topic for the written reflection are the dates of the previous week. On this page, or as many as you need, you'll simply rapid log notes or journal about the week gone by. This is called a written reflection. Written reflections often surface new insights about the subject of their focus. In this case, the subject is the last week. We can use the insights from this written reflection to inform what we act on in the week ahead. In other words, we're taking what we learned and putting it into action. We will explore this concept at length in our lesson on the weekly ritual. Once you're done with your written reflection, you'll give the next page the topic of the dates of the upcoming week. Here, you'll rapid log the tasks that you want to focus on for the week ahead. This list consists of items from your monthly log, the daily logs, and any tasks that surfaced during your written reflection. With your week set up, now it's just a matter of working through the things on this list. So be sure to set your priorities. And then every time you set up your daily log, simply flip back to your weekly log and pick the next priority and get it done that day.